Yes.
Na yaratwalira babunge batali bake mpaka bono igo mubungoro ogoruguzairi chanda. A competition yero sai ikire eyabasacha bange. Nege ntutwarora se constituency ya Nyaribari Chache talinje ngokebeka bone chibeso chikuru guchinyinge.
Yes.
Mushimare jo tuno noli tayari basose competition buneye.
Litante dogotanga Nyaribari na se ne constituency ya Nyaribari Chache. Ne constituency ya lengi guru sana.
Ndio.
Naba Nyaribari channel n'abantu basikire sana. Lakini matino nekero amaskani yakobo ubugambi ngo chobuli bwachencha abaro bwachencha uburayi. Ekero balengo babanya mwoya babo manga babanya chae everything was okay bakekero munda lengo kire gintu kyalenge burungi bone bintu bya chaka gocha ochenchi gocha mageka.
Okay.
Ekero tuacha bono tualetire bona basaye bakiri bino bazairi janda abo bachite baka introduce into kuchibesta chinyinge mono ikigarenga kyanya chae no chibesta yalengo njango tara street nga umuntu ande street ngo kwa gwebesa that was not that chibesta chabete introduce slowly lakini ngakiye ya janda chabete chimbe kabisa because chibesta abantu bachagite kwa gwa bago chaka kwa windagera emechere ne bintu binde bona abantu bakashtukanga is this the way business is being done.
Lakini mushimambo ko abantu ndagera ko batagite barenjara abantu ko barenjara mushima recho
abantu bako bintu in order ase order ya abantu barenjara nabangi shinya gitari abantu baro batabwatkinde abantu baro bakuru very poor who are not given anything lakini ene ndo kero for as a political gimmick so bone ndikiro giya chaka kiagenderera kiagenderera baka kiachiri komeke Nyaribari yachi abantu bano bachakiri kumunyoka kibesa abantu bakumunyoka umuntu tukakwa na mugondo litukoligima okanyocha kumunyoka kibesa kibesa chikagendera paka finally umuntu wantari koni sera kene nkiya koni eno kubatebyuka nga mimi nitapatia pesa watu wangu randi bono mbunge tubwate au watu wangu wakonja wanataka pesa bono kila yako tebya bataka yani utoreduce ritu abere chipopa mune ntu abanyaribari nga bono ntura bataka bono sinchego akashaka kurushibesa bono tuwachiri kumurigire limwe akorere gasi ayo yoro amagendero na rasinyire instead bono chibesa agotoa emeguko bona into tukateya abantu naki if that is the case tikala techinyinge kiara tarakora gine sibe situ chonse myake ene chali busa gachi bwatu muguko tikato amagendero bona nte tukatanga nakora ndike sana akarusi basa gurwo konya kwa abantu 200 akasuki 500 rero gana suki tike ikelibu bona igetieli butano bona tote atagato ele butano next time ato ele bukomi abantu bali bamanyenga myake 5 namagendero kabakulire meguko amangana yari bamayako choro murayu mungao 2027 ukoborokia nidhamu muna tukusuka buchibusibu uburai is not about yoko serwa uburai is about development uburai is about leadership uburai ukoroki umuntu munakuriye ensu rero manya kwirigiri ensu yaye agotumia.
Okay, mushima mugala moyo yake mpe Nyaribari Chache twarorere none president yegoche kuratigwa magendero chipara nchiri chiarosigwe na bintu binde ikebe ayatayikorera na magendero
none president kirachite itagana kite mbachite balengeno mo MP bagatotabia macha yareke gatiga gatini nsasi tuliga ngira
yes
totabua macha agende uchi rest of Nyaribari kya akogenda ena bakabonchari mate ena bakabogitutu chimatu lakini macha tali Nyaribari bona Nyaribari babate problem agende uchi kyogoro kega mate bantu batwara mache agende uchi ruguru Nyaribari the rest of Nyaribari nere twara mache agende uchi birongorogoro uchi benorogoro they said they were going to do that bakachi pipe chikaretu immediately the president yagenda chipipe chika disappear so we don't know what happened. A president yagacha akaigora in fact chipara abege tu a program ingakia omo MP kurukunga Tongi
Richard Tongi
na chipara chichirami chabege tu program bana ka chabege ku program ngango chakokoruchire ekere chabege ku program president yagacha anda kashigura again yanko gendera chire koroswa
ndio
unfortunately ntwana korra palicho chikoroswa neke tukuligereria utoko blame mobungo ito ikia mobungo ito galengerete ngasa kogendera ne chipara chiria chiko chikoro kuchipara chia Tongi karatiga chirusira ini anda chiko chibeka baadaye ende chirore kane chai in the process akahati abantu banyaribari iko palicho ntwanya ko chirora chirosi ntwanya ko chirora match and then in our schools we have not done much in fact in the tokurara is bursary Ntunda atebe tukurarora. To konyora lene kero kige koreka is basari. Andi megongo charora etipare chi mara akego. That is what we see. Otherwise so much money.
Igo mushimu kwachake kuanchanga magendero naro make.
Ama sinini. That is worthy the investment because the kind of money chigo soka every year.
Right.
Gangango to soka chinane ngo blame the government sana because the government, the national government, they went to go make what we call accountability on these monies. Accountability kwa Kenya is one thing. Because usakoli county chibasa chikwa wasted kwa chi constituents kwa chibasa chikwa wasted and then from the accountability yo ntonya kora muntu ani are you telling us nga asaba bunga babo CP onte yo commission sibasa kora kobeku machi akana kora all these kind of things. It is very unfortunate and that is why kero muntu amanyirenga na salary ya magendero ga ko make sure oso ire serikali buye bacherororo site that maswali tari konya kuboliwa and that is very unfortunate.
So you want to say mheshimiwa Rachael onyekenda kubwata bobe you want to say a government ya Kenya igo promote corruption?
They don't care about corruption because if they cared they will have taken what we call accountability seriously. Bona accountability kerenke Kenya ikero bwata chibesa bona jirko account dinganki kwa kolele chibesa because you, sincerely how can so much money be given and yet we don't see anything that has been done? Ikiara nonye ni mubungu yo manyene tanya go chabulia evaluate bijanga ki exactly nki akolele chibesa cheto year 1 I did this, year 2 I did this, year 3 this is what I did, this year 4 this is what I am doing.
Okay, umeshimiwa Rachael Otundo aene land value a professional.
Yes, I am.
You hail goguru Nyaribari Chache.
Yes.
Abasota idukuri yobo bunge.
Yes.
And you mean well ochesa abantu banyaribari Chache.
Yes.
What have you done? Kero kende mwasangire no mu bunge na gotema go saisa na kuliringa kya abantu banyaribari Chache bakonyora magendero because as much as yokuri yoborai mwensi ekerenga ngeringa kya abantu banyaribari Chache bakonyeke.
Yes.
So have you ever taken any step kero kende yokuri yo mu bunge ekiyagera nabo mu gwikaransa mokonya ne birengerere singi jogo skinyaribari Chache bose.
Mu bunge nyaribari Chache tari muntu kwikera urarigyo mu ikere. Uri muntu abamanye takwikera maybe abantu baye ba CDF we don't even know. Ana abantu abagete ba CDF aboma etono bagudiri nere it is not somebody yokwikera. Uno muntu tabwati tangani sokomonyora nandi tari kwikera kasimia is not accessible to komonyora. So tukonya ko mukwane lakini ntu amukwanire through forums. Yake kwana le forum what abiringa ndu tengera koru paranjira koru you know that is a message that you are giving. You are speaking for the voiceless. Ikira what school chetu nchira koru tuwate bamba bati jusukura mabati ande gale usena ki asa ibintu mbira koru ekero tugenda tukukwana those kind of things ya tugenda tukotia kwa abante mechere bahoro kimuna bakuligiyo mechere. So that is a message that we are passing because it doesn't matter the kind of communication you do but it's communication all the same.
Okay, mheshimiwa Rachael ababako yego mechere no yokorwa ngo bugata mamocho ikero yokuru oyoko yego mechere natageta mechere oyo kuru mochere na yobwata akoreta na bantakwa so ngobwata momocho according to you.
According to me no yokurua.
Okay.
Yo kwa yagwereta what problem ikwanta ruge ndonki yokwangera if you have been brought things take them. But you see it is very unfortunate ikiagara ekero waidete serikali ababunge bani kibako tanga tochi para babo Jafet babo Soro bali UDA bakagendera gukora magendero so chipara chibucheto kweli oyo iterega chita the president think the best you can do for us Nyaribari mbata yedikwansa magendero yento batayite ndo machere no yuwa bathiriwa toletere agatebaleta baka no bindombire ngangaleta baka ngakije ikune chichiko chionsi chichalenga bandi mbranere yatwete ekaleta flat se abantu bakachandika sana so chimatro simba yatune bintu binde byalenge bingi bale bintu bya bathiriwa nabya toletere baka chiko kucha sita otoletera baka chimatres alituleta hizo vitu zote asenge nje binde bile bya bathiriwa ande biri ikire byanga not for sale. Not government of Kenya, not for sale. One in other words reducing us yani ura abantu bali bachandekete from other regions oma yakotoletera gochagaiga agotoletere kas agotukas nendo abanyene tukunya ko soe kasime without knowing so a mistake ne yali baga nakamwete gocha atokorera magendero ande chibese chapata abone to boost in the businesses we are doing nanga bana chibese chapata chinyinge agochota bya abantu tiabakora magenderero abaro kionde magenderero barakore no hena makego no nyenugo atolete no nabantu babikono ne factory gose atobekere abatebya abantu babino ne group bakokora certain business awa achi basecho then from there twegendereri other than this business thing we are just
Mominchori Rachael.
Yes.
I saw the president coming in Nyaribari Chache.
Yes.
Not even the president, the deputy president.
Yes.
Professor Abraham Kithure Kindiki and other MPs just again to kuruka empowerment.
Yes.
Na rojibe sigo changwalia ebyombe aho bikaye guchibesa. Is that not empowerment?
Yes, but when you are empowering people, you must take them through training first.
Okay.
Oche bono ngejibe sanga yakore biashara tine pange tino biashara ngokora ndimi maedi nemechando mbote mengi chibese juse ngonkuli litangani keto diko empower litangani we go change because you plan, because if you don't plan you are planning to fail.
Okay.
We go change litangani mindset yane nyese dingte to kore biashara njoma nyenga identify the kind of business that I want to do.
All right.
And then from there I start myself in my own small way go chogo boost ine lo ntoko ayegwa utare chakira utabaga tikende ayenki obwatu kwa mawo okore chakira umuntu chakire umuntu ako encourage people to start, then you come and assist them to move on.
But Mominchori Rachael,
because otherwise kero kore muntu muyiga ngote go cho muntu achake pi utanya ko chakata kunyana umuntu ulitanga ukora mo take through training ora mwereza how to identify a business idea, how to start implementing this business idea enke small again from there my way so kumo boost go kumo guide go bega tabantu kumo guide on what to do. That is how you empower people. So empowering people is not just bringing money to people. Okay. Abantu bane bali bana bazibase jibata prepared bali gete lieta bakaya kuchibasa bakanyura marua wiki yingi mabaga enjoy amangana yakaya. So ikumonta apangwe and they prepare psychologically asset ngankora biashara.
Right.
Because you go the umuntu abugulishibya atale panga mnakora biashara ebikenenge gwakora. It
but
is like throwing money.
Mominchori, you want to tell us abantu mbarosige kosi ego sege kundi batavuga ati focus batavuga ati ngento bataite ku achieve bate ibintu bwate byombe binge ebibi atebete kubikora application for example ekero mokoro sie kyombe mu bwate ngento motete ku achieve nekero mokoro application ngoteba muri ngaki intu chibesa tutagete igotete tokorereke neke because we are chama ya bairege go exist. You see, tali ngento tuwacha rero. So maybe na bomura ya washu mungaki egente ko ba apply re ba tebire mbalengeo they need 100,000 let's give them.
Tokora check what they are doing. This you must check what people are doing. We can now take your time because if you want something to succeed, we go back getting such a ororo.
Okay.
Otherwise, if you want to say what are you going over to sanga chibona I've empowered people, that is a joke.
So
you must empower people through a process. Empowering is a process. It's not an event.
Right.
It is a process. Yes.
Mominchori Rachael. You met another secretary. Is it KISII County Governance Watch?
KISII Governance Watch.
Yes. Sorry. KISII Governance Watch. No matter I no secretary. Ngora kwa nora mangana mange kwa rore bintu. Okay. Suppose bono totebenga kwa beire elected no mupunge Nyaribari Chache come 2027.
Yes.
Priority ya onga yuko ye base binto kyorocho racha kere biro byo hokotebenga ibimbiraba utaite kubichaka upya elinde ko kwanya bantu Nyaribari Chache kero watabire mbarakonyeka
litanganya utarachaka upya ibintu biro konyora bire ongoing.
Okay.
Injemune valua there is no way ndanyora ibintu biro ongoing imbitigere njira biri ibintu biro byachaga tuna munda na chageta mache nabana mache na chagete various aliburuma na chageta mache ali taro galia.
Yes.
Na chagete various projects munda na chagete chikatika ranchera baka today chitikalete abatongi babegete chabe MTC babegete na kwanata about nyaguta liya ko ba ekere polytechnic ya beta nyaguta no ya chiko twara what we call institute.
All right.
We have to follow up on those things ebintu biribya chagetu bigatika ranchera bigatora bibwatia torore where they went.
Yes.
Onyo mo bungo likoro sikras taboki kras yekiri tangana kiraera because ne chiba since ne nyoko beka onyo likoro sipara finish them fast project chichiro on going carry them on and finish them.
Okay.
Then you start with new things ekero ko koraigo yako enya maji kwa deal with it okore ekero kwa ko duma ochake binte bibiya ekero kwa chakire binte bibiya. In addition to that now we go over innovative okore things much better. Litangani in each school you have to do needs assessment in case school retagete. It's not upon you and you can change go by dom we go and understand what exactly the school needs, and now we go understand why they are not performing, because your school is not about giving them infrastructure alone. It is also about performance. So we go and look at those schools, what to do and develop them. The problem ya very serious na situ Nyaribari ga to kufanya for some time now.
Yes.
Monta ko ende school nya ko million osok 200,000 nga 200,000 gaire 200,000 uno mobunge igomate chatgaire 800,000.
Yes.
800,000 ote bana ni bon be board ne school kimoro kinali na inu karali yemi igo chatgaire 700,000. 700,000 contract gocha 30% equal 30% of the whole 1 million, that is 300,000.
Yes.
So chatgaire 400,000. VAT nero ke gocha nero go pick here some money. So at the end of the day, Chibasajigo Tigara is in 300 or less than 300,000 for development. Moite principle. Chibasamoa tuka kaishia shit. Yet this money umuntu chake to tabora korugoro, akageru tabora gokawa. At the end of the day, nothing you can show for it. So for me, kinanjengo cha kwa gweka asi yongo make sure. Chibasajigo enda ase, ejiko ba done well. Mna mangane school. Nenje ni metru jina kolete gas in the civil service, so I understand what is done. Ni metru na bokuru contract o sena bokuru labor based. So ekrachiba sire chinke nenje ngo kolomna inda kolomna ndini nyora gokora.
Yes.
Ekrachiba so what chinke o chinke mne 1 million igo go chakwate yo antu bakora labor based because ni anche ire such that quality contractor I mean school yali contractors.
Yes.
Baligi yani taikon and baligi chifundi agora materials baro sign exactly that we save much more money to anyora more development. So we go a way to help your people, and that is what Ndini Nyoro does, and that is why a school actually kweli. So we have to look for a way, and in the process we are konye no nyana babundi which community you are konye ni abantu boko community you work in the community. On the other hand, we can have innovative or many other things. We want empowerment. We can understand the needs of your people. We categorize the very need, the youth, the what, the women. Then you will be able to see on a way to assist them. Understand, because you can't assist people you don't understand. We go some understand on the way to assist them. Talent.
Yes.
Ekere bako bika tournament ichigo chakanga ki achakira sub location ba kontu kabisa baka ba kore constituents born for me I don't want to do it that way. For me nchekira na ajiko mubunge the way I'll do this business is that okubeka abantu ku sub location onyine mupira bali waka kwanya kochora the best players.
Okay.
Kwanya kochora by the time mo kore constituency about a very good players about kora serious team.
Yes.
And then from there you can now take it to work team from other regions. So such that you sustain this talent and promote this talent. Telling you those yake kwa baba basa okay obadigalera one player yalengengia ya chakre this application is in team yaba yaguye to digalera hali on talent ya tiri go chakoneka go chiguruga. So we have to look for a way of selling this talent. Ntubukata bana mna bono bakuminyoka. This ones bakuminyoka tutagete whether we can be able to have these camps to an end to camp or if not so you sponsor them bagende bali gora bakuminyoka, you identify them, you sponsor them and through these camps we have trained so that we can also have champions from our areas. Into these other people babugate talents chinde, these are the talents ya matera to was talents ugochia sabata otangazachi mnubo to the people have various talents.
All right.
We need to have a talent academy njeni dinga kinanda babu abangoro so theater center asabantu bagocha tu aranentunga KISII county has got talent tuchake no Nyaribari to aralire abantu barata talent from there they are able to expose themselves and sell their talents. We have many people who are talented. Bakara really serve, there is no way they'll sell their talent. There is no way bachako new talent. So as an MP, that is your role. Ensure that these talents come out and people buy these talents. And then we go again so that they can change their mindset. For anybody to grow or to change, lazima abadilishe mindset. We can change mindset. No nyene ndo igurugunga ki nchikura aligireli no mangana abantu bandi bako tebangantu bate problem no na ya marua ire nyingi ya saliri abantu baita bange bono ngati abantu batige bono bachaka baminyoki in a way nayo gocho mune MP abantu bakorosia marungi nkimokorosia marumo okora something else bate mapabwa tibes you assist them to do something else, so in the process they exit from there kwanya kokeye egentekyo.
Okay.
So there are many things that can be done. Again, to yoga is to talk with the people, understand them, and then talk to them, change their mindset, then you work together and move.
Ngakiuko chiko deal negende kyo sera because negendo kia soira simetu y'abantu na ndemba leta yalinga keru mwana siasa gocha ngo ino mushimi Otundo ochire bono ntoikara nstango bakwane role igo bakanyete ndi gocha gukoro basere ngakiura chikurwa negende kia. Secondly ngakia abantu ababara chikukwamini because abana siasa babonsi bachire na aba yabali ngo matekero bali kuli chikura, they were very good igo bali gocha in a simple way buno gocha bakweresa buya sana bate bangi bako chikokora the way you've done ngakia abantu barakore bege ningo muskire cyo tundere neke na goteba ikera babaje na bakwanete bo na ndi mbarakora magendera ibakaye gwa kandi ngatarakoro
ngino mukungu number 1 bakungu turi kungenderia and abakungu ngutema turi kubwati what we have said ikagarantu toko check umono more than men, that is number 1. Number 2, inja ya ma professional nanda ama value ninga understand it what we call value addition. Number 3, emyaka yane na ikire nchiboni tamayane tali nyingi mono about money that ingucho koranga tiage nendo siba sejiti bakango konya abantu. I am interested in assisting the people. And number 3, abantu abachira banga buo kote kene ngiyo balkon sara tiyo balkon, they only selling money the balkon te bya abantu ngobeko era ini chitina tenga ninte kudigia abantu ngamba chikonyora kindi bakuri. But you see tali in a way that talk about treated muna abantu tokorekana ngane jibega ikigara some of us are looking at it nga study ante doguliswa nona aba na siasa abandi no ebakosera ngoro kibali bacha kubika kirasi muna bari kwa abantu chibesa. Do they do that? They don't. So MP iteka kolege ntugeri itokulige tuaranga chinechi bichakorosia nechi video nechi bichakorosio tomongo sengo jungumbu asegete ojokote anga chinechi bega narako konya tutumire chibesa to abantu baitu. That is so we are being reduced into beggars. Ikigara no eno kosera, why should you do it so openly? Ngama no kosera abantu bali kuligereti ngana yo kosera yo mayo kokora igo kokora kwa beka video kwa beka ora abantu abandi ba kosera bange ngorrole ngende ikebe kirese.
So mujumbiya so mbiya kosera bobisi yake
no yo ndaite kwa abantu ne cha kwa bato kwa bobisi. Why should you make it an open thing? Why should you make it look like it's a project? In fact na ABC abantu mna obe expose bali video are supposed to be bad mbali gijikura 2027 because you muntu muno mubungo Nyaribari Chache also open your kwa abantu chibaseka biri or it should not be in the ballot.
Ichikontrol liko kanende
ichikontrol kana dinga bribery of voters erego se ndegi
kura kitara iko mushimiwa
tsara ikangaki people campaign
abantu baya kokonya kote
bade cheikirora nchiraika
kokonya abantu baya mbu
okay ade to kokonya abantu baya there is a system yoko konya abantu baye
lakini mushimiwa rejo sikiro umuntu nabwate
system ande kero umuntu kwa chibesa ndoka bwate system guiko otwa abantu dignity yabo tubuche munabona matanga asa abantu babwate mijiga bakurira kwa mayocha kwa buri abantu kurwa matanga just because you want to give them money. Of course abantu bategete chibasa because chibasa nchiburite Kenya no naye munuliga I know you need money even me nonje nyara chibasa kwa na nusuko kwa kana chira mongote bainganke because I also need money. Lakini bone kote chibasa bono tuya kutumie ngenteki oenta isi abantu kwa na abantu bakulera kwa rusi abantu matanga bagenda ngane chibasa kuchikoba yani nga to show you are mighty omaite bono andekero mundu yatali oyo ito ataibo irise ita bono tokora nga gutuchaya tokora nga bona roche nga atugurite bona gutubeke njira gete tware karamuna abantu abaliri and we don't want that. Give people their respect na ande bakomenye ogusi bakoteba oyonga oyo komenya boko no yonga kisole. When you go to Rome, do what the Romans do. Do not go to Rome and start killing their culture. Uchake goite culture abo uchake bachenjia uchake barorekana abantu abake. It is very unfortunate because telinga osero kunga nkoyo bobasi oseko sera nkoyo bogetutu kose wherever osero konkoli kirase lakini it's done in dignity. Lakini wana Nyaribari gaiga there is no dignity.
Okay.
It is a shame
if it is against the law or it's against nebirangere bino n'abanyaribari ba Chache gosonye ngira kogokya yebuna umushimi wa Rachael then ingetambukiro no ingetambukiro ngebwante kwira kolengana nelichiko.
Yes itambukiro kitogenda kwira. We are talking to our people. Woni gabantu baitu bachanugete bakote bakachalete pesa maendeleo yetu tunaikula kwa mfuko. Maendeleo kwa mfuko. Wana pata tenga tia tulishibesa tuchora barai bako tuira busio. That is what they are saying. So ba change a program wingo change bali. So go ntoka ndete ko ba civic education and they are continuing. Na bantu baitu bonsi abanyene na bangai ni bali. Bako te bateba chibesa intorara para ntorara kende wono to kubate binga chibesa chachiri michiminyoki. Minyoka kabisa muchirent. From there kia ina magendero to ko seru muguko.
Asante sana mheshimiwa Rachael ndoche atigire deke mukora gachinse so tuchebono mambia mangana mainaro to konyora sinchira yo ikeranu tumanye kwira naiga dutagire tura na sense moyo mwali mheshimiwa Rachael tugitonye kwibanga ruma hasitinga abanyali bali monya kwirubiri mure mutagitekero go kyubugabana n'abanyali bali twarorere binte binge bigo happen mwe msibi go die chuni oyo initiative osoirete emotion ya sebunge yokumurusio munyali bali asekerogo korengana n'abantu bagota orengo mo deputy governor na asaga anu ali busongo ne serikali negenete gukora ubutuki bwaye abanyali bali batebirenga tarasaba monda mabira kini ororekanira se vyombo bya habari okusaba ukwabira gotebanga hakwana jua buna abanyali bali ne okwabira unkoro ngaimurochi igenteke sabu yinga kigwakwa buno munyali bali naende inuna abanyali bali ngakimwakire sabu ibaka mwarorirenga kero kinde ubo gabano ubunga buchigo cyanyali bali naende no tokwira na gocha no jiko totebinga ki semo ya ole neririye nekero tonyorera mangana mayi asinchira
I like that
azinjira iyo wikerano wacho botari to chiandale mushimo Rachael Otundo no ale gaiga kwira na tora sensemo yo mwali chinkwanechi naomba usicheze mbali.
Yomogusi Radio Nambemo Eboto Manyesi Enka Yomogusi Eboto 94.1 Enka Yomogusi. KISII FM emerongo kianda nenye enuguteyemo Enka Yomogusi.
Rwa chintandanye chense gosi
abana baitu bakira stinka bayiboli baitu tigamo baorokereri buya
neke boko kebolete bona abana bale meterera mbali koba serikali era ni boko nali abana baranya basakawe
newete matianga gotebanga he has been in this sector for so long bale wanja bakwane ne serikali
tigabaida nie petroli inse ne t-shirt inse ekiagera nyone ne bintu kujikogora kurwetuka bono yokonyora bire ebeibo.
And maybe we as parents need to ask ourselves, are we parenting properly? These are children, they are destroying their own lives, they are destroying property.
Ilikuwa UDA pesa mfukoni, kumbe ilikuwa ni pesa kwa mfuko yake.
Nitahakikisha ya kwamba we build a proper economy. Na hiyo kujenga uchumi inahitaji akili.
Hatuwezi kuwa bila power, lazima tupate power.
Aya namangana maya KISII FM tangu chinde chonsi chitayo tegogoto weiwere.
Muraiwe kiama ya PLP muswati matakaruani ga mochire serikali ya soko gendera komende budget no chinga kiego sangere kwibango kure asekerengo yense no murai ogusi governance watch muswati Rachael Otundo nigo tebiribuna horai bwabo no banyali bali Chache nigo botaro kiama gendera ndonsi ale yengenjo cha somwananchi kegambiro kia High Court ya Milimani memocho Nairobi niko kia na chitebuna omosike rigatika shagwa ni garusitukwe abisi kolengana nelichiko ne mambingi andonse soro mwanchi motake ne jide kesa tegori ya chinse satoche bon mambia na mangana maya senchira ni yobikiranu
omwancho motegereri bono twaerera uyeigwe buna gwateka kurwa semesa ya mangana maya ime ya KISII FM.
Eric Nyamweya
Umurai we kiama gia PLP Moswati matakarua niga moche serikali ya soko gandira komende budget no chinga kiko sangeli kwe bango kule asekirengo yense na utabune ngane unigera chikurira ensi ya Kenya gutwara umusigo morito wa madeni. Moswati karua niga gendera kumoche serikali ya Kenya kwanza soko gandira gutumike kerenge keniki chibesa asa mangana tali yengencho unabono chisabali tali yengencho na kubuli serikali okeye budget yeyo lika ndio kugenda kubeka musigo morito kuchia semo Kenya oka waida.
igogenderete gutegerera mangana maya kurwa KISII FM enka yomugusi
ni kiambiro kia High Court ime ya milimani meyomocho Nairobi kikiabirike gutegereki na yo kwa meri kusokwa ya bisiko yolengo mokonyu marabensu moskeri katika shagwa nigo gia nchiranire wasinigo gia nchiranite no kuna cha webunge ya seneti kumurusia bisio moskeri shagwa so kumwimbichi ya sekelia ekambere kyo ya teruna mururio yo kukumurusia bisinigo kwa tirichikom kurukuna chokwo abuli tukolegoro epenchi yabanachibi na bato Eric Ogora, Anthony Murima na Frida Mugambi sobwa moni go banchanite buna ebunge ya seneti ya bwatetio mururio bonsi olio oganeira soko murusia bisi moskeri katika shagwa no moskeri ndike ni gacho letwe kolenganiri chika sekolende kambero ekyo yanchanite buna obwene bwa moskeri shagwa nigo bwa bunetwe nego gochike bunge ya seneti ko mwaka no moskeri gashagwa chishiringi chimilioni emerongo etano.
Having found that the fair trial rights of His Excellency Gachagua were infringed when the Senate declined to allow the adjournment, that is a vindication of His Excellency Gachagua. We, however, hasten to add that the violation does not have the effect of quashing the Senate's resolution to impeach His Excellency Gachagua. If the Senate's resolution were to be quashed or set aside, then by operation of law, the status quo ante will be restored, thereby effectively creating a scenario where there will be two deputy presidents in office at the same time. The impeached deputy president, reinstated by judicial fiat, and the successor duly appointed under Article 149, sub-Article 1. We have no doubt that Kenyans did not intend such scenario, and the Constitution does not contemplate dual incumbency in the president. Accordingly, while the infringement of fair trial rights is acknowledged and vindicated, it does not undo the impeachment itself.
Wow, kwa na megayo kuna chokwa ba wakili wa yomoskeri katika shagwa nigo ba mochitio kuna chokwa wekambiro asabate betebuna onyo bwene bu moskeri shagwa bwa bunetwe kuna ngo nigo bwene tekuye na bisi asibono balirira yewe cheko yenda sikambiro gia pil kwa melia okona chokwa.
We have presided over the funeral of the country and the Republic of Kenya. Because you could see the judicial nonsense that was there. They allow some of the things. They say His Excellency Gachagua's rights were violated. Yeah. And instead of doing what is rightfully constitutional right to quash, they avoid. That's what I've told them. We never came here for recommendations on legislations. We have elected members of parliament to legislate. So we never came here for to seek orders and to seek recommendation for legislation. Yeah. That is why we are saying the Constitution has been buried today. We are going to the Court of Appeal. You have heard how the court has grossed over the other petitions and just dealt with one petition for His Excellency Rigathi and ended up with judicial nonsense and judicial absurdity.
You know, when a breach has been found and cleared that the proceedings had a problem, it should have been annulled, and that's a conclusion automatically, because you have not been accorded an opportunity to be heard.
Umurai o governance watch Moswati Rachael Otundo yuko
igonye kanyererete ekere gochaka ekogenda nande chikubwata gochia gachiba ward tonyore para yeram ekere gokora agaria tikilomita anga chigotiga etire gaiga eikegesima nande chinde chiranga chigotigara etirimboke gari machenwa eike nande garia junction ya machuriani igabana moroje gonda ire gosembogete
KISII FM enka yomugusi
chideka niko minenyo mwancho muhotegera chabe chiko kutoka igori chinsa isato chabona mambia genda kutegera KISII FM nenka yomugusi to minancho kurega chinsa nyangoma yemana yanda senchira yobwenge ye nchenkuru kwa Eric Nyamweya
omwelio bwa mangana maya bunaletwa sole na KISII FM enka yomugusi
ayano matekera libwe radio ya KISII FM imeye kaunti ya KISII gose kaunti ya Nyamira
KISII FM kachire kuma
Nugani tiko tuma matangazo gocha radio ya KISII FM bono na bogoto nyora gwetera saba chente baito au bagoto kasichinsa mochikubwatia kinsa mochakeroka nyoro mwachente ito imeye duka ya Ondari Enterprises ije kutoka separa ya Kisumu ndogo kinsa mechichakeroka aino momenyi bwe bunge ya umachoge borabu tutarira service yeteje kutoka so mucho Kenya angene stage imeyajaribu waste filling station na bari kinsa mocha manga top nyoro mweche ntio KISII FM imeyeduka ya Hamas ijire mbarabara negeta seni kya nyimbo kya manga
KISII FM enka yomugusi
gendera kotegera KISII FM ejenero enka yomugusi
Manyagetingo minto umugusiga teba chakabwangu tureti twanchuka inkaninka iyananka KISII FM nero inka zomugusi
umwencho mutegererio KISII FM nigo toko wakera ngambia asogo tokore station ya Enchori yomugusi
KISII radio bora kote nchini kitamba burudani zimurua zote wanazotupatia wakitupa burudani nasi twazikumbatia wambea tu wape nini ili mwende ritaya
KISII FM
KISII FM
yomugusi
safi kabisa msikilizaji nyuma ya Eric Nyamweya kuleta hiyo sinchira yobo ikerno bono teatura nrichi nkona chitumwa nchumo tegerero no mushimu wa Rachael tudikera no raiga studio biro bikominyoka sana ideka combination na bireta yari Chache kuri chinsa isato chibono mambia chinsango kwanera ni chorogongo rwa Afrika ya mocheko tokera na straight away asichinkwana chito karibu sana mushimu wa Rachael Otundo sensemo ya kabiri yechinkwana echi na yes na muno tori gote bumushimiko gotoka enda straight away kegera maboli natanga kubolia berigoro yo Nyaribari buna chinkuma chikunya gotebanga ngona kwirobeli yara se kirugo kibo governor na kirugo kibo deputy governor mayetenkia sogete kurwa so Nyaribari no nyoyo ndo chite kwirani kwa county ya KISII twarare binte binge bigokorekana omo MC yo retete emotion ya se bunge ya gereto Nyaribari uhiyo beto mubungo Nyaribari Chache so tegete ko ligikero kyo bunge na saga nu abo na ndo tebirurura se kambi yo mugavana bwe county ya KISII bono iranira se kambi yo Nyaribari na boigo obaira se kambi yo mugusiyo ko ligikero kyo president ngo mukwanera Dr. Fred Okengo Matiangi tetura chakera abo ine abanyaribari ngakimweroberie ikera nabo chinkuma chikotanga ngwero buli mure
litangani nje na lenge a lead person aso kwero bili ko Nyaribari na tagete Nyaribari kya kanara na twabiri for a long time na ndetura bange tutanya kanara kirugo kyo bugavana wono twatete twatwero bili twe bange number 1 ndi twara nkwero bili twachage toba mu Nyaribari twaboletete number 1 Nyaribari tunyole twachakirete ndetwira ni lieta ligoro ntoba muna turiga bono stali abantu bakotosekerera kirase no Nyaribari Number 2 ntu atagete chikura cheito chinamba cheito chibe quality tali quantity ikiagara bono tubwata chinamba chinyinge those numbers don't count ntu atagete ne tu negotiate ngakitoko kora uburai bwaito either with nabarai bali toko chora to understand ke tukubika chikura cheito ntu abeke kabwe kemo twachora na ntu abantu bali toko chora especially ibiruge bibyo president ebiruge bi county. That is what we wanted. And then from there no kwebanga konde tutwala nentu obomo mno Nyaribari. That is what we wanted. Tugachaka obomo Nyaribari tukarangelia members tuataithiri tangania abali birugo bachake they were not interested, so we started tuachaka tukagendera twalinge minili n'abantu abange kurubu baracho n'abantu ba KISII Central.
Yes.
Minili tuachaka tukagendera gentekyo. I was joined other members of parliament joined tukagenderera ekera tuagenderera tuikabosio tuagenderere tuatwalira mukutano itugwa mwario ulengi Masimba. So we did a good job and agreed tukateba no ino bugavana nyato josokyo omuntu kuru Nyaribari tokosokyo yomo ntokosokyo bantu babiri it must be one. Oyo abandi bakotebu nyabara abange abandi bakotebu inu karatiga let us have one twebange gyagero kuri kiro kabwe banga abandi bamanye kwibanga.
Yes.
Or whoever we want to support nyatari Nyaribari etokwagi to support Nyaribari ntonyore abasha because we have realized and tuna Nyaribari kuri county ya Chache turi konyora share yaito we keep on getting less share yet we are very many ase nyito tebangeti because usipochipanga na la kwa lipo wana na bibi asale biri wana toka genderera buja sana tatu akora kuri Masimba wana tubwate toka kwenda next injenona arenge ingotebe kiro nkuriginde kyo bugabana ngakie iyo na machokunera narengo mono ntu babire twarasoka tukuru Nyaribari yabo kaba twasoka nkuru gitore kiro ngintu ataba tukochora no yomo so enchantment it from the bottom of my heart ngatachagua mtu moja Nyaribari batochore in the process mna twakuri kuri Masimba omwashimwa machogwere mnaro mungaini agacha akaliya abantu bari twalengera barabu asobomo akabaire kambi yaye bakachaka mu campaign manyanga ntora ikastoko choro monto lakini baachire bachaka komo kama it takes advantage because he has much money ekereira na wanachaka komo bachaka komo campaign li nenjenga counter that campaign hande bakachaka kumbuni hande Nyaribari nani ku counter so from there in the process I watched that space got totally in space yes and of course mbaro batigala bata ile tukoje machogura batigala bona kira tuagendera tukakamba no mweshimwa machogo tukatebania let omuntu tukatochoro n'Abanyaribari okora ngo mweshimwa machogo was not ready for that erega atagete ndigere inche I must be there. You like it or not.
Okay.
So in the process njenga mate no ukatogendera Abanyaribari batochora ingama yakugwa abantu bakateba bakisi count Nyaribari Chache ga lecho tirane obubunge ekabate lecho I listen to the voice of the people kiara bachagwa ngo teba listen to the ground ekana natekerera ingama nyanga ni pushe gente tokenda bakabosio finally umuntu go chakochorwa nere who is not willing go push obomo bugo chibosio ngaikase nechinga ngakepa utani ngateba nda bantu kibante biringe ndo MP let me go ono bomo buli bakatenera akali as we were doing obomo machoguna bwato obomo bwaye bwalenga side agendere tenere konya go kini ochiguruga ekera bukini bona gachiko takaboike bukasinya bono kubugata babodire ninga ibabalecho bali balenga obomo balenga so bono obomo obu bakabamuna bukasire rabu ekera bukasire rabu because according to me obomo obu akogendera bakabosio it was going to assist uli oliko chorwa obo gubernatorial candidate kwa watu komokonya sana so that is how a business yachite bana kale business yagendeyo so me I went to my own business yokuli campaign ngatika emacho kwaendere no obomo obu era tigaligwa obo kabana other than us kuchukurwandiranga hake sabu tuwesera Abanyaribari tokanda twensi babiri jenonde na machogunaro we lose so tigo monto amatigarabu yonde tigagende to another seat because all these seats are good anyway jinka gende keruko kyobunga so biasara biwa bomo endorsement bigatigalira hapo I don't see what much was done. It is his role and his duty to know what to do ikiagara ba nero gwente ko origereria arenga ki akobe Nyaribari ya mono uchusia kiagara igasina kolete gata ite konyengenterange wono lendinga ata ite ko ba favored So from there tukamutikira enda abe favor, so let him continue. So he has a role to play, continue kubeka Nyaribari together mna toka ndo uchibusio nje role yani yara ereta bunge hirane kero kyo bunge wa Nyaribari Chache. And then tusogocha mwana sumuntu kurukwa embande nero mheshimiwa siocha
utaragenda su mheshimiwa embande mheshimiwa Rachael kindly ngona chana maskani uyitubwa tukurigibo governor buno Nyaribari no musikema chogo
yes
nero re ibono igukwandi buno Nyaribari urase kambi muske Dr. Fred Matiang'i ore like rigo chikoye maybe tikiti ya Jubilee onya takiko gwitikiti lakini nero rochi buno Nyaribari ukurigie kero kyo governor
yes Nyaribari nerabie kinga nerabie kukurigi kero kyo Nyaribari
do you support him ikegera mai dendo kegera nakubuliri boli elio tima idio senkobe kole glachi ya siasa ikera ngwa tabetenga kwa uliri running mate watebirenga igachiete akagenda mamincha ni procedure
mwa gwate tali na ability gante what I want to say
yes
machoguna nkorete bobe sana because number 1 party na kineti agache se party because he had finances, he had power, he had title agateka over nchinga mutigira ngaki monene nigateke mwenye nguvu mpishe nikampisha mimi nikaenda wapi kwa pati ndogo nande pati ili yangenga minyoki kuchoro bakauli running metiani ntangani bakaguli ya kabiri bakaguli ya gatatu bakaguli ya kane ya kane bone nje zigo discover ngumuntu mugulete machoko so at that level ingatikara bono helpless igona ale kuligikero gona ale gutikara siko
okay
ekero na ale gutikara siko that is the time nere salante dikuirulira that is the day ba chage to tanga bangere chiwe sa uchimane they never gave me bangun salary for nothing ngarangun salary political career ya 2027 that is how I worked my way ngakonywa na Chebukati uralire ngacha kutoka kindeke ro kibo women abuna ko ora guchi
yes
so yes. But siasa tebwati tobo siasa none kero muntu akokosero kumwabira and let me tell even in God
yes
if you don't forgive none gotero none kwende our father saboko kwetu kwa our father okokotanga forgive us our sins
as we forgive
so you must for God to bless you you must forgive nchoma okay. Yanente de kobo bugambi there's no way abo bugambi unless are forgiven bali ba kotriki bali ba nyasama yego nsosini ngochibusia
okay.
So amangana macha una mwabiri to ndikwensi ongoserete I forgive them babo ngwa ba uluzi yani bonsi na ba biride
songo mawara kobo
ekero na ba bira ekero na ba bira
yes.
Barumbanye gonsa mabira of course nobody has ever come gonsa mabira ngaki karejo ngwanga oserete nobody has ever come but me in the name of the Lord na ba biride ekero na ba bira from there I leave them to do their business I do my business
so are you supporting him
boni ngego nsabe kura ingakingu musupport
na tuko Nyaribari na you were the initiator yo Nyaribari
na initiator na ta topo kebo kabasyo umuntu abe ndo stinga so and so
yes
from there all of us to what kuruma but you see akakate iri nte kuruma pema
okay
bone ke akakate kuruma pema it is his role and duty bone bugate role ni duty yoko genda because what I was doing was a very good thing nani kangere ya getenga mbiya mone kiagara na bora nyore most likely ne ole gochoru kiagara Nyaribari nkurugire bale many other considerations
yes
I don't understand really but erega ruche ngata gochoru akarwande chugo chorwa bana kanachira gati ikana chira gati bone ro bwate role yuko tafuki that's not my role my role bone ilina bwate yo Nyaribari ngachankakira ngatebatikandi kiro kyo bunge once nanyo dikiro kyo bunge imanye gocha bono ndete ntukiriyo bomo buri bono mbolete bu Nyaribari bono together leaders bacha opinion leaders toiwana on development and toiwana on how to carry mna chakaraka to leaders meetings ento to leaders meetings to be go Nyaribari bono amo kore kirogo interest ya erenga wane ko ba easier to do that kind of business
so asekero kibo kaba nanga yoro mushimi warecho
kiro incho kirogo nkuligige kiro kwa kirogo kyobo bunge
correct I know Nyaribari whom are you supporting asekero kibo kaba
tayo sabiro matekero kyobo kaba
so you are supporting nobody
ikiagaraga tu abwate timu injasirite njera ntujidi gotabuki tujikwendo sirento kandere go support whoever we support onte yo chiri gonsa bakuro nobody has ever come to tell me Rachael ngekero kyobo kaba na usikyo bugumenera posiki yakende
so koro Nyaribari na support mushimo Rachael
njibono for that reason igonkolige kero kyane ngekero kyobo bunge ane njitindi party
yes
I want to tell you the truth in the party and the the reason why I'm not in a party in to akineti party kero UDA egetwanye kinia at the end of the day we were thrown out ngachanka notisiga in a government ekero se party ruling party in a ruling party eba ko chono monto very tested somebody who has been former or current unless they don't have anybody bagachora umuntu urachorirwe kirogo urabere tested nero gachoro ase party kogo chese party ando guchiba so campaign ri kogo chese party about presidential candidates chi party about presidential candidates very strong. These parties you must fund the party. We go to arachibasa ogo fund your party. If you don't have no gendo ogo kini party finally you not be given a ticket ogo tugutwisiko nande gusika higa mokungu tanya kwaya ku ticket ase party nanali kirogo other than ekya obo women rep apart from a few women ba idwe kirogo kya party nene mnamano machokali ase ba choriru obo MC osakulire Kenya ngima. Most women bali chikura they come either from the major political parties or the most popular political parties in their regions. Babunko bali ticket lakini ntu gaiga kwa hiyo ticket is not ngenda Jubilee inkaranso. At the end of the day about what I reach to nominated so the we can go bad and back on a ticket. It doesn't matter what the ground you have. So because of that, yes, once beaten, twice shy. Tinkwe banande make a mistake and ngende ko ba used nganda UDN kaira bantu bano ngachora chi coordinator ngakora kirege ndoro ngapatiko ngasoka nchipie anda mwina abu nane jiga njikore gasi nsoka nchipie njibono nguri yikero umuna recho abantu bangake kero muna recho after all ekero bogambi bwasokire umuntu akugwaki munere One you got a UDA go to Gambira.
So you want to tell us you want to tell us you're in your own world.
I'm not in my own world. Independent is allowed.
So you want to say nga gitu manyetie oyo kuriye kero kyo bogava monyali bari tayo ko akoboko.
Nje dimbo azi kura. Nje kura mbate ne ya mekuru ya Rachael Otundo.
Nero nabo lingoko.
I have only one vote. Oyo go chogonsa be kura na nteka rangi ya konde.
Na no manyete kura ya is very important. No matter yengenjere tebwe kaine chinde.
My vote is one.
Ikegera nchira obwate chinde.
Echinde chimbwate matracha konsaba. Hono akingo chikosabera. You know that's the question.
Kwate munyaliba noyo mukuriye kero kibo governor. Nakoboli ni simbo tam singa ki. Ko oro koboko gostori komoa.
Tali komo ando koboko stini komoa. Ero manyene nane utara omuntu koboko stomwa. Nero manyene tigara kore gasi ai. Ero manyene gasi ai akori no Nyaribari yeneriye. Ikiagara kachaka buya. And it was Chache confused out Nyaribari. So let him also pull up his socks, work, and look for people to assist him. Bono tigari ya MCA, ali abantu bakuriyo ba MP, ali abantu bakuriyo birogo various,
including yae.
Bamokonye.
Including yae.
Karandigi, that's a different story, we will talk. Wana Karandigia, why should I go and start selling him? Kiara wono kugura nengora gunde ba okwana ngaki, mnabono tuwalenga matanga just next year. Iga ansa iga lenge ga baracho. Bale gote baiga. Umuntu chitora akuru kwa agent ya machagu ukuru kwa ntegi igatebeteiga birundu amini machagu na matiangi bashorire birundu aligikire go gyo ba MP ne ba go ne ko bo mo MP ne ba chorire bono go bara to chora intu or umuntu atara chora inki go machora. That's the question.
Okay,
so the thing is,
so you have now given the reason.
I do my business.
Let me
tell you. President.
Yes.
Governor.
Right.
Onye karo Nyaribari akuriye kirogo muno Nyaribari akuriye muno Nyaribari. Tabwe ndikuriye muno party.
Okay.
No muntu UDA wantu kumsabe kura.
All right.
Lakini yekera muntu akogenda nganda just Jubilee will only be one person. So if you go and Jubilee no nyamatiang, he makes those kind of mistakes. Kira chitege gata betenga ngatongi inga kibagendi inga Janet inga macho ona bande bakabolia. Where do we stand?
So nere kuritora aba ruti aibia.
Talinga tina aba ruti aibia because we are correcting him. Era no mogusi turukia no president is a different story.
All right.
Mo president ani ntubuka tionde. Bono is a president, so that is where we all are. Iki antuna bagusi lakini maona the thing is ero manyene na bwente ko embrace all leaders irrespective of the parties where they are kia bade mabebi party kia bade madino mwaro na nyem party leaders ba chipati chinde
yes
ba mansuni yongo babo makara na bande they were complaining because if you tell us ngomuntu abantu bakacho na bajubiri boka what about these other parties chaba gusichiro chichikuku we also some of us want to join there sometime later.
Okay.
When time comes. So bono omuntu tabas ko imagine ngako ikaransa iga ngali geli guchikura ngesenjera no Nyaribari. Ko ikari gichikura. Na inje mnande gatin ko ikaransa ndigi gichikura ngaki nganjabano kurunde usengo Nyaribari nkuru. Therefore I want to vote. I must talk to the people of Nyaribari bang chikura. No yo koligi chikura, let him look for votes.
All right, asante sana. Asante sana Mheshimiwa Rachael. oyo kabeire umo deputy governor muske Robert Onsarimonde na rusiti gwesekero kya kyo deputy governor uno Nyaribari.
Yes.
Oyo chagetie motion gusuyo begete motion ya sebunge elinde ko initiate impeachment no mo MC begodi echuni oyibona otigira orura se kambi yo uchira in a different camp osabiro Nyaribari ko bete to chakerabu ayibona Nyaribari kwa mwabere
litanga tingu mwabera terizo ninta mwabera
karasu kangene microphone ngendegira lige ko kana buya kero
litanga tingu mwabera ndoke ko kana nta mwabere.
Yes.
The game is playing is a bad game and is a wrong example to our people. Furthermore, he's a youth. A wrong example to the youths. Not that he's in danger. Not that he's in danger from one side only. Even from this other side where he has joined. He has enemies there. You cannot create enemies on both sides.
Okay.
That is a man who does not understand what he's supposed to do. He's supposed to work smart.
So
in fact, the honorable Gabi, don't want to buy you in Babu to come on Ekerogo. Because you know Monto, about leadership qualities. A person who is a leader should behave like a leader. Number one to go Monto. We call Winto, Omanya, or sure that what you are doing is right. Number two to wait. Siasa starts from home. Siasa is local. Toko chaka wito Monto Mino, Hanuma Wachabada, which I got among Anna Moitete, Haking Abere, Buaberu, Nunya Kurani Monto, you move grow. The people you messed up, will you return them to where they are? So for me, this is a man I cannot forgive. This is a man who did wrongs. This is a man who is wrong. This is a man whose life is in danger. Rachael already come in that position. Let him be there and let it be an example to the rest of the people that you have siasa. Let them not back or siasa of deceit. There is gains he making. He's making money. Made money that side. He wants to come this side and make money. The money he's making. One of the garo kitchen. For me, I cannot forgive him.
Okay, asante. Aina mangana ayu mheshimiwa Rachael Otundo. Ukuliye keruke bobunge constituency ya Nyaribari Chache county ya KISII. Kwate bangana bora the independent. Tairasma we also ase chama. Ntobu ato moske Dr. Fred Matiang'i. Are you supporting him 100%?
Support 100. You know, you cannot ask me that question.
No,
whether I'm supporting whether I'm supporting him 100%. Number one, is he going to be the flag bearer? That is the question we're asking. Is he the person Ojkochorwa from United Opposition? Because as we are praying, Achorwe from United Opposition, this is what we want. That is what I want to say. I have nothing against him. Politics is local. To support. I this is the person we are supporting, so we are all there supporting him. So what we are waiting, actual campaign.
Yes.
Flag bearer who is going to be because actual campaign, and then at the end of the day, the flag bearer is somebody else. That is who is going to, for us. Support whoever they want to support.
Right.
I'll just keep quiet. What we call observation. To understand it, what is happening is the person who is silent in the room, because this person is doing observation. Strike. Understand it. What the person
Mheshimiwa Rachael, you gotegete ko beka conditioning ke gose gotegete ko gotebanga no bugate sababu kiragere
sababu mbwate nchiringa na oneti UDA ngasali kubune sese. So I didn't like it. So I didn't love it. I didn't enjoy it. I wasted my money. I didn't like it. So once bitten, twice shy. You got in go na nemnyo okay. Ngabana Jubiri ni support Jubiri monto manga we ticket na henso okay kuchaka patia. That will be a joke. I can't work the same way. So one of the Gana Raverakatika, let those who keep working. Because in Imbanyete, where I'm coming about Siria or Barabangai, Monta you go to Chorunga saying in Party. Matiang, Tarim Namatiang Jubilee. It's all about Jubilee Tokomacho. Tari party at Jubilee, it wasn't a party you may call Taria Musier. I can tell you Tokochora. You got Tokochora, Matiang as a person. So we'll pick the people as people. But it is not as a party.
Mheshimiwa Rachael tigobe clear.
Yes.
Igokwa umuske Dr. Fred Matiang'i okoboko Rachael dukobe flag bearer yenseme kwameria serikali gose bado na boko bado buno mugusi otenenire kurigekero kyo president ne to kanseme ndio sia kwa sensemeli kwa mbele serikali
litangani ero manyene yani litangani njitoro chino onde njiro mugusi I go with my people matinje tim ekura anem nanje inkulira abananchi karabata but this is the route, that is the route we go again don't ntari ready tayari gane party ereto chako on Jubilee on Jubilee how many people will get tickets in Jubilee? It will be one person nande abanyene mbaro wano mwashimiwa muna tongi no rules Jubilee tongi na role ngoma nyene tubia kayiro so Jubilee ina obo igana I learned from the past wano manyene Jubilee na kare naro ko genda roji ko masokisiko yoko enda oira abantu Jubilee kare ko ira abantu Jubilee omanyengo jiko seligo kare ko seligo Jubilee libona abantu bane baramangene batanga Jubilee batati wakira lecho kumbe se njikwa ko Jubilee bakere Jubilee ba umade ba ko entry. So for that reason tinta idiko enda we am not sure when I will join a party I will join at the right time, which will be next year, and where I join the same thing again ongo so na nkolero talingo jiko so na njiko so kiusko because inje muno mukungu mbabwa that mentality bakorange kero montago cha muno mukungu oibon mwamaletere oibon tatu campaign ri tujiko nominate something that is neither here nor there. That is what is there. So one of the thing is Jubilee ne bata bantu baya let them fight for Jubilee lakini bali bagocha bacha ku campaign nga matiangi otebire nga matiangi Jubilee yale nane na nyalebe Jubilee nga na machogu Jubilee yale batabire nyalebe wa MP. They are messing up for matiangi and they are messing up for machogu. So the thing is machogu yale tigali jikura ejo munyalebe chonse abere linda bagusibande na matiangi na tigali jikura cyo mugusibwense whether UDR ta UDA go say wherever atoke awa matiangi kura muno mugusi ama yakonya kuligi chinde ko chiskali. So kera kwa ikire say no ukuligi chikura mna say no. It is not you don't introduce a party go say no, you introduce yourself and impress yourself with the people.
So another thing ite ko imagine kurwa soro mheshimiwa Rejo tinda akigubube kelinga mheshimiwa Dr. Fred Matiangi tava iseko gwashimu ngajikure chimugusi cyose ne cyaye natakira ne kuligi chikura kurusi. Is that what you are saying?
Ekera ko ligikura ko gusita igo togeje igenda bwendo gorere no woteliyo kate banga kinwa bagusi jini mate jikura jonsi ko ngamuri amangana wa MP amangana kiango, that's our problem to rwanere to want to choose
again to kwangire ne endorsement
inga nyarebe and by the way you have not asked me about endorsements. Ntu are endorsement ya kolero nyingi sana ntu are Charles Nyachae uko endorse Okengo Matiangi o mini Okengo Nyambane ntu are matundura matunduro kwendo si birundu nani nkaraba ntu babirundu bako enda media bawo cha ko complain ngankinya cha kwendo seli barabu bata babendo book abasacha abantu abonya kwendo sani na abasacha because they are fearing. That is why they are endorsing themselves. A person who is not endorsed uli silent in the room omogungu nero ko omobungo 2027 ebi asale barabi endorsement is cowardice, is showing that they fear. They have a lot of fear. Don't study about what an HBS jikumnyogwe echiga, it's fear that they have because you munyalibari obokire bono bakonya kwake sabu ni bono bali bakonya kuendorse, you keep endorsing.
So what if na yo endorsed
injonza ko endorsed inko ba endorsed ne community ingima, not one person who's coming to endorse me.
Okay,
the thing ko endorsed ngo muntu amugo ko endorse nisa ko endorsed ne community usenge mbe endorsed ne clan no nguru kampanane mbe endorsed by kampanane. No, that is a clan that is endorsing you, but not an individual. Charles Nyacha, who is Charles Nyacha? Charles Nyacha ene abanyalibali. That's the question. Who is Matundro na abanyalibali? That is the question.
So you want to
nande endorsement igegocha after consultation. Endorsement doesn't just come abantu batenelio ka wachakenga naye abantu bako ba consult babarangelinga nchungu bali mukuli kichukura nchumwe siga yanda uchi alia nyamota nyonyo tuta Rusia chanda mokota bali nchumwe si bali mukuli kichukura yanda uchi ali mukaranse mugwane mochoro yom.
Okay,
eke atu asini ko igwana bama yako tochora but to endorse, that will be the endorsement that will work.
So ayabuna Rachael Otundo, yes. You don't want anybody to take advantage of you, you want to fight on your own.
No, that not to take advantage. Me, I want to move with the community. I want to move with our people. Tusukira abantu kuchibosiga at our pace. ngora and our people will decide. And abanyalibali boniga they are calculating. Abanyalibali nesa bagete ntambe. Abanyalibali bantu bangaini. Mo changa singi to aba reduced. Intura bantu bangaini. To akei gora kiringuira na tole. And mistake never allowed. Na to make a mistake but not repeating. We will not repeat the mistake. We are moving forward. A stronger Nyaribari.
Umesema aliyeumwa na nyoka akiona gamba ushtuka.
Igo.
Asante. Almost Rigathi Gachagua, the former deputy president of the Republic of Kenya. Kinakia ingiana litukuligoro with a 3-judge bench. Iya choro muske Martha Koome, uno chief justice wense ya Kenya. Ntoroche umuna chivi na Anthony Murima, Muswati Frida Mugambi, na boigo Eric Ogura. Wagaikaransa chinsa chinyinge sana mheshimiwa Rachael. Finally wagakoreki nakilia timu yetu kusina mabirira barigo balance. Ikigera Rigathi Gachagua na Rochoko kwa compensation inke ekolengana n'ekigambiro ya 50 million senate bwende kumwakana ase oko infringe ne rights cha yenke lakini rende nabo batebete nga igabete mbiji kolengana n'ilichiko bakateba nkogenda bale court of appeal ekineke effect kebwate asensemeli ya united opposition asemati anyale imibuno mugusi nero ubwatekenenge yo koliyo president nke change matrix yende nkerete change yende
nke for me litangani gere kineki kia gambetu beten there was unfairness in the senate angamba adjaneti ekesi yekyo ekero yarwarete bakegambe take their time but they hurried and that is the reason why he was given that 50 million. Bakateva that could not change the fact na better impeached because reasons in Charenga for impeachment and they agreed with them. That is what they said. Bakamanya whatever. One the case stands na ndio kamaili wenga you can go to the court of appeal.
Right.
Igo case inkira era baada case inkire in the court of appeal. Igo mbachi baka the court of appeal na gweta bakiri baka kwana
lakini ngira abeko
mbankira abeko mbachi babeke there is a window of 14 days.
Yes.
So one bachi baka ende babeke court of appeal baka ende case kya Gachagua but the effect of that is that Gachagua bana ta koligikero go kyo president because he stands impeached na nene akagenda court of appeal kitambe case kere case go take time so konyora by that time campaign cha chakire ta konyara kuikera. So for that reason, that means from united opposition, wana Gachagua usi uwereta kunyara kuligibo president.
Okay.
Wana bantu batigere baba Kalonzo na Matiangi baba Wamalu na band na Sifuna and the rest.
All right.
So it is upon lakini yarena abwate a big say on what to do nande Gachagua whether is there akoligi kirugo satari koligia is a mobilizer, a very smart mobilizer.
Yes.
So bono uliago kwendos this is the person that person abuno and he has a big say on who is going to be the flag bearer.
Okay.
Because now Romanyene he has proven that he can manage onye no ni gali bosigisi akonyora chikura chikoma chikuikera chikoma karibu nori etete or UDA
right
ngome ye president. That means na about a big say. Okay. So what is there is that na wano baga choi karansa bachikwendosi wano bachikwendosi umuntu yomo so ababande bono let them also prove their worth kino muntu wano tigerwa nerere mama teka digati yaro ruro wano Matiangi let him up his game baba Kalonzo kiro muntu up his game to cho bono nchemuno mugusiga ngote Matianga koromo kabisa so that when you go to the table you are able to present something on the table that will make you to be favored.
All right. Asante sana. Mheshimiwa Rachael, njali ngetukuandira mangana a rating bili ya koletu 2023 lakini naomba sana tusisungumzie leo. We will get time to isungumzie. Ngetukuandira kirogo kibo women repase county ya KISII. Liswali litangani. Why watikete kulige kirogo kibo women rep? Because ne kirogo kiro asaba subati. Number 2, kirogo kulige kirogo kibo women repase county ya KISII. The current women rep bworokirie sign yokoruo. Atakete kulige kero kyabo nchali. What does it mean? Onye toya se race yekero kibo women rep. Who is your candidate? Na ende ngorocho bwerate ko ile kero yeke.
Yes. Na number 1, kero kibo women rep njinalengo anyway. I was only there for political relevance. Kera njene kero kibo gaba nankuli. Kinankuli kibo women rep. Kero chira ni mitchane chagurwa. That is where I went to kero kibo women rep. And I was there Linde nenche mbere van 2027 na stay na go chirani na go nyana go kira. Kero muntu akuri gento according to interest ya bwato muntu kwende skuru ya go choranga njeno gwali mu somera go senjeno communication muna ebintu mune bigo. So bono nje tinde dana go chora kero go women rep ya attract so many women. Number 1 go committee. Why so many women bakwane kero go women abandi baba we distribute abandi bagendo bokavana. I want to support Julie Nyamao. Muna temira as a youth, a lady and a youth ukarobo governor. That is very good. Abandi bana barubuti kabasuke bake, abandi baso governor, abandi baso senator, abandi baso MCA, abandi baso MP. Ba go so kabonsi pi abandi go 40, abonsi pino kero go women repakol. That shows the weakness of women leadership kusiga. Ngabona women ibakorangi kero go baranyole ne ikibono kero very difficult to get. Number 2, kero go women rep. Injetingo nyakoligi koru Nyaribari ntobatu muntu kuligi kirukyo bukabana ukuruko mweshimwe sekeri macho ane nso kenganjire jo tunu no women rep ego is like fighting him na tigiro bugabana obu na chiri kuligi wa MP because I don't want to fight him ane ntigarororo na no women rep kuligi is like fighting ngikia about kuligi ya position ya Nyaribari Chache tatonye ani ya Nyaribari tatonye
so na indirectly you are supporting macho
so for that reason tinta become an impediment to his campaign. I don't want to be an impediment tata jigo ntameranga nincherecho kusenga nincherecho kiek nja I have left him, it is free hand, it is for him to do his campaign.
Okay,
ikingold arabu number 3 aba women rep abakuligi kiroko unfortunately njegusiga mnankora anturi ko chora kiroko kya women rep otoko chole party women rep we just choose through party. We don't choose your muntu n'isara jya yakura banga aba very difficult sana kiroko women rep to kulinga ko tarabi ke ngulinga ne chikampu bacha kulinga kampu gete ngaye president ngaye candidate yo ya bwana to yo candidate ya ko win koru abantu bamekubekira omukungule in that part, and I think that is a big mistake. We need to choose this, and we are asking abakungu bakuliga women rep come out and look for these seats. Jomonto kwane nenje kero kyo women rep. The only person who has talked to me no moshimu kurukunga really and mogendi. Nerbiye ko kwane nenje lakini tara kwa nenje formally lakini casually. Casually okwane nenje bono abantu tikabaligeria bangina abakulikibiroko. Tikabache bonsi to barore. Na ande ngote yabantu baito bagusiga iga. If you want to choose the best leaders, chakiro wa MCA. Kiro wa MCA gwodi semuri. Rangiria abantu bali bakulikibonsi. Bakori interview mu understand abantu amuri abantu bamedi babakore moderation mu understand aba MP put them, ask them babegere what they do for mu understand what these people are. Rangiria abantu bakuriye governor talk, let them come and bearese rangiria abantu bakuriye bo MP bo women rep murabona ba women rep they need coherence. No ni no abantu bamedi we asking you na mo to evidence to contribute yake muri hall mutobeke nabagina bacha na baro baeresa ebirogo byabo bakuriye imbiri abantu bamanye what do these women stand for. Because as we are today bakungu abantu anda bakungu abantu ba blame ngakibatari gutara bamanyikane buya it is expensive. Madaba kungu amba kwa tibesa like the men have. Ikiara ke mukunga akakare married musacho yeta ko mwala nga tibesa jibona ngendo tiko ko campaign yeko bili ako restricted with the money. Na bona tibesa na chiko be problem to some of this. In fact no ninje ngo tema by the way na charibsa. Ali di group for a long time. Paka na ikirega yaba kana we Naomi. Wana abantu banyali bali batebire ngondo la bara mabira. It is a difficult thing. Wana bakuna kiya ko gara abakungu bakumnyokia. Wana kumnyokia abantu guruma abana ko frustrated. Mwaro cha abantu bako faint. Last time bakumnyokia team kumo muntu acho awonto ko tukanga chole team muntu manga team mwende uri aga faint ali sarenge. You know that kind of thing. So okora these women doing this, it is because of resources. Na ndo bono bakumnyokia kiro ko women rep. Sinjo bakete sabu ngaka ano ba ko dora muntu ko sina acho we say team ka ko we team ka kya konyera ni gugo chimuino. Bono ka kibagi na tuntu bwa tibesa abantu beto ba KISII county bangina mbabwa tibesa but choose the woman obwa the good traits omungu wanya ko ba represent oba understand it your interests uranya ko ba represent uragende bunge akwana mangana naende uranya ko ba empower nando ukomanya ngaki roles chiaye mune woman rep inchiri church na gusige gese nginjo baka chore biasara biye party ande kire party wika yache nje woman rep bona no woman rep kwa betam uruo betam uruo abana ki abere kero ki etam and
etamu minute one time
and for me and nonye mweshimo donya
yes
you understand ye kero ki one time ebiranya bikamurulira aga uchibonchali achikulie kiro kyobunge akiri tutati como welcome because you also need men women bali ebiro byobunge so she's welcome
gukora tole twathe deka ise tutokole chinkwanechi ekiro kyobo women nepa omoske donye bana kwa mukwana igo obere gakugambira ibuno mu women rep ngakiura mureti aseme gasi akori buno mu women rep ase miake yakori
njege ntongu understand tie mana donya igale ko tanga ko kore biashara bia machi we don't understand so much energy and you kiango sin kiango because ya match ne docket here governor so agatige docket yo go empower our youths, empowering our orphans, empowering our women, akaenda gukora business that was not her business agatoa match rina kilo na match ngumu akira tulimbi yamuno nere bana taji go balance iminde muna bana banyali bali ntuchi kumo feel buye go sina atokorete match bana ntumo we don't know really how much she did because number one we can hear ko vocal actually one se media ga igare senki akolire one leta jizi konyora time to explain to us exactly what she has done one ke ata tu era se mo na one mo akolire binto other region se county nene abanye akolire many njan match oga nyorita match na ro kambugate eki agara akolire binto in many areas ekinyata otama ne usina bikolete asengenjo tarabiteba so abangina ba understand to use abangina bonse ba siasa komoranche tumia media eterese media KISII ya munere gaiga inkatole iga ninka tumia nka gaiga enka yo mugusi na sande na inumwe oni motebe no rio korira gasti gatebe nkiakole bona ba women de bwa bakora gasti bakira Janet, she did not say much. She had gone a media area. Mary did not explain exactly what she did and what she went through. Donya as also Neramondo media, Nanga, we explain it. I want him to be, I know, about to be a social media. I want to bring back on the social media. There are few. Back on the social media here, a few. I get more, but I'm going to give the local radios. I want to understand, probably will understand what they have done. So, Bangina, they are letting us down. Ase eri ibona bangina bamanya korekana ngambali ko koragasi at the end of the day bona tuaranga na tsoro mungina ta ko tokonya which is very wrong.
Asante sana, it's a challenge equally. Umushimo reja garoto ko rede ke ya moyoka mugabana bwe county ya KISII Moske Paul Simbarati obeli rabisie miaka karibu ene one as we are speaking no nyabanyali bali bakunya kwebanga ngakira bebwororanga na kumurusie kerugomo gabana Simbarati kolengana nemirema akolire na siasa yaye era buno mugabana bwe county ya KISII.
Siasa aye mainly on the youths and the women. Muna kunyirigiroti. Mana ligi siasa aye iga go capitalize so much on youths and women. Ase gazi ero tara akora gazi nyingi so impressive. As I'm concerned. Ichiba sanje irana several times. Jitinda really much that he has done. Anye bila kitamona tolente ndu mbire kasi tu abito konya tura ragas via college. Nje for me when I look at him na colleague I see him as a governor who is Njabulu said is incompetent. He's not a manager. The way he's doing his things. I call him to be Njeragete flimsy. He's not. That is why Tutama Edunich Minister Chair Enchirichi, Tutama Edunich PS Chief Officer Chair Enchirichi, saying Joe Atarigo call him intentionally streamlined and structured. He's not structured the way he's doing his business. I call him Sarabia Enchiragete. So for me, I say there's a lot of incompetence in the work. And Tarigo Kora a lot of delegation because he's supposed to delegate abantu ba ebuka okore almost CISI kwa musikanga that is a CISI of the county.
Right.
One abuno problem ere tara akora match ntunturara so much nturara match kia tara tubikira match tara tubikira kene biparageta miri bikega na tara chali minande binde ne basali ya to that is all what is there. Lakini siasa yaye ya kora siasa inakote bi chini ya maji nande is using lots of money in doing that, working with the women and working with the youths. Our people need civic education.
Right.
Will not take you far. What is there? People need to have civic education, understanding and are not coming up. Maybe they are waiting for time. Why don't these people come up and they start saying the governor has not done me when I'll be there I'll do it this way. This one is this one machagu gonna go kiriguru so raire boka inchuga tell about exactly what you are going to do differently from Simba. Tell the people, because if you don't speak who will know that you are better bono go gire abantu bakatanga no bakorete ane tato tebikienda ko chikotokolera. So you must come up and come with a different program. A program that is convincing to the people of Nyaribari and people of KISII County.
All right. Mheshimiwa Rejo tuna natabire mbiamono sana singencho yugo kwana no mugusia sema mbiamono singencho yoko hona wa invitation go chaga igasi studio elinde teliko baraisi no gwate banga bande bacha teligento kire raisi
bago
teli raisi go kwana no go kwana go teli raisi. So ada simbaro batari konyo batatageti gukwana batatageti ko jasmira. I don't know go senemero bali batarabeka boronge go se might sometimes no go kirana koro ngwate
bali. Them access, tell them that you are ready to host them. They come.
Na endo manyete kero tara so ekerogo abara ibirogo na barobara obo ekegera mbasi nyukwira nelinganki ngi batara korera magendero. Lakini yo tara so ekerogo na beko mobera raisi go tebangi ago chikokora. So let them come, it's a challenge. Basubate tigabeso kibali ibirogo bire elective
na ndeba so kebere senga barabumbara biboro ko nyoro montagocha.
Yes.
Kurigie kirugo no nyensi tucheri kuri Nyaribari so to momuntu ngachibera sana bwa tega iga nachi leader mogend chobo women rep. They don't say where this leader mogend is coming from, where this leader mogend is working, where this, you know, that kind of thing.
All right.
We kebere se na ndeba to mabantu babo babere se rabuya. They need to first of all babe famous bataraza kana for popular. Let them look for a way, and the easiest way no watch a media, so they are welcome. Ananje na bata bilba manyanga they are welcome. No nje bana gombori script echira ngana bata bili
na ikarabaji script echo biemo no saro mushimiwa atabire mbiamo and wish you all the best. Asibirengere biao na chinga kichine ntokoligia singenjo ntubwata mange tuje gukwandira ndi you are a professional na boko kwana partnership
ndege mogiyo kaneba
right
ntege tenkwanere kona ali gukwana about youths. Maybe asale bi tuateba digital economy.
Yes.
Youths one matichika there is a lot of unemployment. Yonkuboli our MPs. Onye modete kokonya our youths. Bakonye muba abantu bako bakorera training on how to make money online. Umuntu aku imagine nga it's easy. Umuntu rabwate internet levero maybe. Na babwate simi enene. Smartphone nabugata might even what to do. When abantu barabanke but understand it exactly bakubuli where is the money here? Content creation, whatever it is, subscription, whatever it is.
All right.
What is supposed to be done? So na with the president kwanango be call internet hubs. So we are asking, let them put this internet hubs and at the same time put training to our people, show them what to do. Abono MP wente gocha yara bakonya bali batakino embo besa bokebabe kabona abantu bande bachire instead ngachibesa chire simi bagenda roba mayosa ibintu bichiponsi scheme n'ibintu binde byobonkoni ono besa babwa toboke bwasirire. So they need that kind of training.
All right, asante sana mwacho motelo ikirabana tukora chinkone jutwange mheshimiwa Rachael Tundo aigasi studio bila bina ntumuligi gaiga ni professional she is a land value koleta mangana ya professionally na somete kabisa ntomoleta litukeli gaiga toje kukwanera a bill iyo ya begetu ikawali chiko 2024 ni president William Ruto ntomoligi linde toje kukwanira ngane iyo igasebona no tukokorera bwikali tukolia ankyo natabire mbiamo nasinga nchoko motegeli mwegenwa enya site ya kuruwancha kwaye buneli italia elimolioka akorogonya site ngoro kwa dumo nyakerogo. Bye bye for now. Jideka isato chinsenye chabona mambia mangana mayasi nchira yowe.